Today we are going to play with some new makeup products. These are newly launched and these makeup products, they have some amazing review currently, and I am very excited to see what's the formula, how they work, and how they just feel overall. So let's get started. The first product is a skincare product, and this is from Indie Wild. This is what the product looks like. This is a sunscreen glow drops. So this is a very new unique product which is very beautiful. Comes in a packaging like this. This is I don't know, is this a glass packaging? And it comes with a dropper like this. You have the sunscreen, it comes with a dropper like this. The dropper works perfectly fine. This contains centella and niacinamide, which is actually great products. They're actually great products to calm down your skin and also to brighten up your skin. Niacinamide will definitely brighten up your skin a little bit more. Also, this contains SPF 50 plus. Is a 30 ml product, contains SPF 50 plus and zinc oxide. Product also contains zinc oxide. This is my first time trying this out, and let's see how it works. The consistency is like pretty runny. It's like a milky consistency. Indie Wild products are very famous and very unique products. They have their lip treatments are also very viral products. Okay, this feels very lightweight, but I think this is not for oily skin. It contains that oily base, which is not something I don't like. I have a combination skin, but I think if you have oily skin, you will not like it. This is a product, like a good product if you have extremely dry skin. Wow, blends so beautifully, and just look at that finish. Does not contain any white cast. It's not hard to blend, but if you have extremely oily skin, this is not the product for you. It contains this oil base, something oily, which is giving you this glow, but it's not something for oily skin. Hands, it's like pretty oily, not a very heavy, thick, oily formula. Very lightweight, contains a thin oily layer, but this is specifically for few skin types. So if you are going in this humid, hot weather, this is not the product for you. Okay, so next we have this beautiful newly launched foundation from Clinique. This is called Clinique Even Better Clinical Vitamin Makeup SPF 50 Foundation. I am in love with this launch. They have some amazing shade range, and I picked up the shade medium cool 2. This product looks amazing. This is what the packaging looks like. It comes with a pump like this. It's absolutely amazing. Clean, beautiful packaging as usual from Clinique. Let's see how this foundation works. Foundation claims that this is dermatologist tested, allergy tested, and 100% fragrance free. This is vitamin infused makeup that delivers a radiant, healthy skin. 5 forms of vitamin C, 4% vitamin B3 and vitamin E. Contains a sheer to moderate coverage, and shake well before you use. So this is a skincare hybrid makeup, which I love. I love when my makeup product contains skincare ingredients and it looks like skin more. When your makeup product contains more skincare infused like ingredients, it looks more like a skincare, skin tint, or more like your skin but better. 2, 3 pumps. This is what the consistency looks like, and this is what the shade medium cool 2 looks like. I think it's a perfect match. I was a little skeptical to try out the warm shades because it was looking too warm, and I was like, I don't want to look orange. That's why I haven't picked up warm. By the way, I'm a neutral undertone person, not a cool person, but I think this will match perfectly fine. So I'm just going to take the foundation with my brush using this one from Mars. This is foundation brush F101, and wow, that shade matches spot on. This product is so glowy. Look at that. It's literally my skin but better. Contains a very natural coverage, but it's covering up my entire face beautifully. Definitely buildable enough. You can build the product up, but I think the natural finish of this product is something which I really love. That it contains a medium to sheer to medium coverage, and it is actually giving me that. It contains a very sheer coverage, very natural looking, very easy to blend, and does not feel heavy on my face. Feels very lightweight. Like the sunscreen drop feels a little bit heavy, but this does not feel that much heavy. Take my beauty sponge and I will just blend it out really well. It's a very glowy type of a product, so make sure you're not using anything too glowy, just like me. I used a glowing drop, which is too glowy for my skin. This is too glowy for you, you can definitely set it with some powder, but I think this brings a very healthy, radiant finish to my skin, which I really love. Looks very flawless, extremely flawless, and it's like my skin but looks like glass. Foundation contains vitamins and SPF, so as a SPF type of foundation, this is, I think, going to be my favorite one. I just love when my makeup product contains SPF. It's good for summer season, and this is a very lightweight, very light and sheer. I will not even say this is a foundation, this is more like a skin tint, and it says that this is very good for dry to combination oily skin, so not for oily skin people. This is good for dry skin and people who have combination skin like me. Next I have this Armani concealer. I already talked about this in my previous video. This is the Armani Luminous Silk Glow Perfect concealer, and I picked up the shade 4.5. This is a newly launched product and I recently purchased it from Nykaa. This is what the product looks like. This is the applicator. If you want to know more about this product, then please do watch my previous video. This is what it looks like. It's a beautiful concealer. I love it so much. Today I'm using so much glowy products on my face. This is again a luminous concealer. I don't know. Now I have the star of the show. I purchased this. Oh my god, it was so much money. Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Flawless. What I'm saying. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Soulmates palette, and this is a airbrush pillow talk palette again from their 30,000 pillow talk collection they have, and this is in the shade Pillow Talk Flawless Pink. They have a powder side and a blush side. So why I purchased this product, I just want to say this, just because of the powder, because so many times we get a face palette where you get a highlighter and a blush, but I don't think anyone use highlighter nowadays, and highlighter is like very overrated nowadays. Even if I use highlighter, I use a cream highlighter. I don't use powder highlighters anymore. So that's why I purchased it, because it contains a powder instead of a highlighter. Or also a beautiful pink blush. They come in two different shades. One was like a coralish blush, and this one was with a pink blush. The coral blush was too deep for my skin, so that's why I picked up this one. Packaging is insanely beautiful. I never thought I will love this packaging. I don't love that much girly packaging, but this is insane. Wow. Charlotte Tilbury, this packaging screams dream. This packaging screams pillow talk. This is the pillow talk heaven right over here. This is what the packaging looks like. Just look at this. It screams Sailor Moon. It is so beautiful. A very luxurious feel, just like Charlotte Tilbury. It's expensive. It's a luxury brand. This is absolutely insane. This is what it looks like. You get a huge mirror right over here, and then you get the powder and the blush. This is what it looks like. This is the powder. This is the blush. Can you just see how beautiful that is? And the packaging is actually very high quality, very high end. So this powder is supposed to give you a brightening finish, and this is what the powder looks like. I'm just gonna take the brush and let's see how it works. Oh wow, thank God that this is not looking ashy, because sometimes a very very bright color powder can look a little bit ashy under your eyes. It's giving me such a beautiful blurring finish. I just love how lightweight this is. Does not even look like a powder. It's a very beautiful veil of something on my face. And this is the first time I'm trying out a Charlotte Tilbury powder. Does not look powdery, does not give you that powdery finish. It's so perfect. So perfect. This is what the powder looks like. Can you just see how it diffuses the glow, but it's still not extremely matte. Also, it does not feel like I have powder on my face. I'm using so much of this. Gives me such a beautiful brightening finish. Wow, I'm just loving this one right now. It's so perfect. This is going to be pigmented. This is what it looks like. I use Charlotte Tilbury blush, which is the cream blush, but I never use the powder one. Oh my god, worth 5,000 rupees instantly, I can see. This is straight away going in my makeup bag. I have a makeup bag where I keep all my favorite products. It's going to be straight away in my makeup bag. This is the most beautiful powder I've ever tried, like powder blush. My skin is looking so flawless right now. I am obsessed. Wow. It's pigmented, but so beautifully pigmented. It's like not too much, very diffused, very blurring, and just gives you that soft touch of makeup that you need, soft touch of blush that you need. I am so happy with this product. Usually I don't love Charlotte Tilbury products that much, but this one is a game changer. Wow, I'm absolutely in love. First impression, 100 out of 100. It's so good. I just can't stop looking at myself. It is so pretty. I have to stop it now. Okay, now I have this lip marker. This is from DM Beauty and I purchased it from their website. I have this in the shade Mark My Words, and recently I saw that they launched a new lip marker, which is literally a marker, but it's a lip liner. This is what the lip marker looks like. This is what the packaging looks like, and here you have the applicator. Isn't it literally a marker? Just look at this. This looks like a marker, but this is a lip liner, and I'm very excited to try this one. I think Indian market, they are coming up with so many interesting makeup products. I'm really happy about it that we can get these products in India now, and from our own Indian brands. This is for 699 rupees, and yeah, it contains a lot of good ingredients like aloe vera, niacinamide. This is more like a lip stain lip marker. Once you use it, it does not move, so make sure you're using very precisely. Also, it's very easy to apply as well. I'm not going to fill up my entire lips. I'm just going to overline it. This is what it looks like. Really good. If you don't get the ink, make sure to shake it really well and you will get the ink. This is what the DM Beauty lip marker looks like, and it actually works and looks like a marker. Very beautiful, smudge proof, very beautiful, smudge proof, transfer proof, which is great, and it dries down pretty fast, so you have to work really fast with this. The product I have in today's video is this very interesting and viral product. This is Laneige lip serum, and this is what it looks like. The best part is the packaging of this product. This is the packaging. It's a donut packaging. It's so squishy, so soft, and this is called Sugar Glaze. The shade is Sugar Glaze. I already used this product and I just love how it looks, how it works. This is what the packaging looks like. Can you just see how perfect that is? And it's such a unique, very interesting product. I just love how it applies. This is the product. This is what Sugar Glaze looks like. And it's a beautiful nude color, like a nude brown color with a lot of warm undertone. Not too warm, does not look corally or orangish. But look at this shine. Wow, so beautiful. I mean, with the lip marker, it actually looks really good. Does not feel sticky, does not feel heavy, but does taste a little bit like sugar cookie, coconut, very sweet, not something which I'm feeling uncomfortable with. This is a lip serum, so I will say a little bit heavy, very hydrating, a thick consistency product, but does not feel uncomfortable on your lips. Like when I do this, it does not stick, so that's the best part. Also, it is like so perfect. So this is the finished makeup look. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm just so happy with these new products. The only product that I think I have a mixed feeling about is this Glow Drop sunscreen. I was like, not a product for me. I will rather stick to my matte gel sunscreens. This foundation from Clinique, Chef's Kiss, so good, beautiful, lightweight, does not feel heavy, does not feel sticky. I just love how it overall looks, very flawless. And this Charlotte Tilbury palette, 10 out of 10. 100 out of 100. I love it so much. I don't have anything negative to say about this product. It is so good. My makeup overall looks flawless just because of this. The foundation is good, but the combination of these two made my makeup look so good.